Like, y'all just won't let me get a break, man. Y'all just like, I only upload once a week, but the way y'all just coming for me, y'all trying to make me do it more than once. Like, do y'all want me to upload at least twice a week? Like, is that what y'all want? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. So what's up, y'all? Y'all probably see the title and be like, dang, does she ever stop? Do y'all ever stop requesting stuff? No. So I gotta keep giving y'all what y'all want. This is another Subbie requested look. This is actually coming from one of my old college track teammates. What's up, Bob? Hey, how you doing, girl? I miss you. She requested that I do a burnt orange look, so this is what I am feeding you guys with today. Serving the looks. Take it, honey. Take the orange. Take it. I actually did this look about 2 months ago, and I don't know what happened to my face, because I was also trying a new foundation, but my face instantly broke out and it just made that whole look, and I was just done with it. And my face is all of a sudden starting to look like I didn't put any foundation on at all, which is getting on my nerves. Like, I swear I had a smooth, flawless look, and then now all of a sudden my face is just look like it's, you know, like those goosebump type look. So that's what my face is doing. It's giving me like a goosebump type look. I love this overall look. I just feel like I may just scrap this video in general. And I kept saying that I was going to redo that look. And I just kept getting pushed back, kept getting other videos to do. So after I did the last requested look with the purple palette, I was just like, all right, I got to do the orange next. I was looking at my collection. I was like, I got to do the orange next. And then lo and behold, there's a comment that was just like, can I request a burnt orange look? And I was like, you must have been reading my mind, because I was going to do the orange next. I straight up was going to do the orange next, I swear. Y'all like, dang, she went back to DOCOLORs again. Didn't we say do makeup by Tammy? Yes, I had to go back to DOCOLORs. DOCOLOR Gemstone palettes are legit. I'm telling y'all, if y'all haven't ordered these by now, after I did like 4 or 5 videos with this thing, what are y'all waiting on? Like, seriously, these things are life. I did use the Soul Palettes pressed glitter, but I did that in the 4-in-1 look, and that's when I realized that those pressed glitters do not play. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the look and the swatches and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys at the end. I went ahead and primed my eye off camera. I do appreciate the suggestions, and sooner or later you guys will start to see me transition to the other eyeshadow bases. Probably once I run out of these. Since I've already done this look, like I said, I've done this look two months ago. I'm just revisiting now because I wanted to redo it. Since I've already done this look and I used the Conceal and Define concealer, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to get this bright shade in there. I'm just going to leave it there and just set this area. This was the only way I could think of actually getting this shade in the look, so that's why I'm doing that. Let's just go on and move into the real colors. I'm gonna go with this orange first. I love, like, it's like a dreamsicle type color. You guys remember dreamsicles? I remember those things. Dreamsicle, sherbet, whatever you guys like in the orange flavor. Oh, what was it? The push pops? Man, Miss Pink Kid. Next up, I'm going to take this shade here. Kind of like I'm patting it in, but kind of like it's like tap tap and then just kind of blending it. And then I'm gonna take this bright, beautiful, powerful orange. I love shades like this. Next up, we are going to take this dark orangish brown. Like, if you look on like websites, and sometimes when DOCOLORs would like picture this, it looks like it's a black, but it's like such a pretty brownish orange, like the perfect autumn orange. Orangish brown. This reddish orange, I guess you can just say it's burnt orange. You can say the burnt orange color. And I'm kind of blending it to the point where, like, I'm semi using some of that darker brown orange and just literally just blending it all out. So it's like seriously a smooth gradient. Loving this orange. All right, next step we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the e.l.f. glitter glue glitter primer. I still can't remember what it's called. This shimmer. And with the glue still being tacky, you just want to press it in. I know I swiped it first. I had to remember like, wait. I went back to that bright orange. I think I might have dabbed it in like once or twice. And then I used that. You guys know what I'm about to do next. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, do my base, come back. We're gonna do the lower lash line, and then we can wrap up this look. All right, guys, so this is the base more or less done. Still got a little bit more to do, but I want to go ahead and do the lower lash line with you guys, as well as the inner corner. I've already completed it on this side, so there's the overall finished look is what it's supposed to look like. We'll see. So first I'm gonna take this orange first. Then with that same brush, I'm going into the darker shade, and it's literally going in the outer corner to connect. Last shade, of course, just went back to this one. I don't know why, but I have to use all shades in the palette, so inner corner has to be this. Boom. In your face. Yes. Yes. That's all I have to say. I don't even know if there was a question, but yes. Vaughn, I hope I did you proud. You guys are trying to make me upload more than once a week. Like, y'all just like, all right, send me this request, this request. I'm still waiting on it, and I'm just like, I only upload once a week, y'all. Calm down. But y'all about to make me like do like 2-3 times a week. But if you guys do want more than one video a week, please let me know, and I will start working on that. I mean, the way you guys are sending me request after request after request, I think I'm gonna have to bump it up to more than one video a week. I'm loving it. I'm feeling the love. I hope you guys are sharing the love, sharing the, you know, the vids and the posts and all that. You know, go ahead, let other people see my greatness. That sounded cocky as ever. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We are definitely growing on this channel, and I love it. I love the growth. So I know some of you guys, you guys gotta be telling other people about me. Thank you guys so much for all the love. Thank you for all the requests. Orange is another one of my favorite colors. Blue comes first, but orange is up there. And I mentioned this in a video. I don't think I left it in the video, but I did mention this. I think when I did the day 4 of Makeup by Tammy, when I was doing the face palettes, for me, for my skin tone, for my melanated chocolate people, like orange is a compliment color. It's just like brown. It's just like, it just fits us. Like orange and brown skin, it's just like, you know, like we look good in orange. We look good in orange. We look good in yellow. We look good in blue. We look good in red. We pretty much look good in all colors. We do. We do. That's why we matter so much. And that's why the beauty industry just try to take so much of our original stuff, like, because we just look good in so many things, and they try to duplicate it, and then it don't work out for them as well. I'm just saying. This is why we matter. This is why we're here. This is why y'all need to stop doing blackface and just go ahead and give us our credit. Well, that got too deep and personal real quick. That escalated to 100. But anyways, we're not ready for that conversation. Y'all not ready for that.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any other requests, you know what I say. Go ahead and comment those down below. And I will catch you guys in my next one. I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.